guys, we're doing the simple AC mod. You guys can see we have max AC. See the temperature. We're at about 54.5 degrees. See if we can lower it down to 40. First step is you want to grab your vacuum hose. Find this white vacuum hose. It's usually brittle and cracked, so it should go to this bundle of wires here. There's a vacuum, so just cut it and install your new vacuum hose, followed by, you're going to want to install the valve here. Now that you have cut your heater hose here, the one that goes to the passenger head, what I did was I clamped it with some pliers so I wouldn't leak too much coolant. So you make sure you install it the right way. Coolant flows this way, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on and we'll go from there. This is how it should look. You got your little actuator here. Remember, coolant flowing this way. Your factory vacuum line, that's in that bundle where the wires are. Focus, okay. You tee it off, and this line here goes to where that white 90 was. So right now I'm gonna just button it all up, and that is the way I ended up cleaning it up. So I routed it, I hooked it up to the zip tied it to the harness, and then I zip tied these hoses together with the bottom. So yeah, now let's try it out. We're back in the truck, max AC. Look at that. It almost dropped, what, like half? We were at 54 before, so yeah, it's cold in here. Sheesh. There you go, guys. That's how quick and easy that mod is. Hope this helps.